Derek Sims. Man, you got the crowd pumped up with a big first-round knockout. How good do you feel right now?
I feel really excited. I'm really ecstatic right now. I'm just happy, man. That was my game plan from jump. He talked a little bit, so I had to shut his mouth.
Well, that you did, and very impressively. Like I said, I think it was under a minute. I think they said like 34 seconds. Very impressive. You came out with what looked like a decent reach advantage and a height advantage and a speed advantage, and it looks like you used that to your advantage.
Yeah.
Was that the game plan coming into the fight?
Yeah, like I said, I want to use my hands coming out. Yeah, I come from wrestling background. If he's gonna take me down, he's gonna be comfortable on my back. But we kept it standing, so TKO.
Now, it looked like there was a point where you rocked him coming off the cage. He runs completely to the other side of the cage. It looks like he was trying to gather himself. Did you smell enough blood that you just kept pounding until the ref threw you off?
Whenever he showed me his back, that's when the blood came right there. So I just went for it when I saw it.
Like I said, that was a very impressive win, man. Look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you, Mama.